Hi, I'm Ace, your tutor at UScore Academy. Let's learn fractions on a number line together, step by step. A fraction can live on a number line. Take the space from 0 to 1 and split it into equal parts. If we make 4 equal parts, each little jump is 1/4. The bottom number tells how many parts there are. To find a fraction, count the jumps from 0. 1 jump lands on 1/4, 2 jumps on 2/4, 3 jumps on 3/4. The top number tells how many jumps you have taken. When you take all the jumps, you land back on a whole number. 4/4 is the same as 1, because you covered the whole space. And 0/4 is just 0, since you have not jumped at all. Let's place 2/3. Split the space from 0 to 1 into 3 equal parts. Now count 2 jumps from 0. You land on the second mark, which is 2/3. So here is the big idea. The bottom number splits the line into equal parts. The top number counts the jumps you take from 0. And when you take every jump, you reach one whole. Great work! Keep practicing with Ace at UScoreAcademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.